Good morning and thank you for inquiring about Hyundai Tucson. My name's Mark. I'm going to be your salesperson. As you can see, it's a lovely looking car with a honeycomb grille, background headlights, daytime running lights, alloy wheel, LED turn signals, blind spot detection, proximity key. They also come with heated seats, cool seats, leather interior. Also come with touchscreen, lane keep assist, automatic hold. It comes with so many great features. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Also gives you a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty, which we exclusively double to 20 years, 200,000 miles at no cost yourself. My name's Mark, so give me a call on 205 720 6581. You're going to love the way you treat here at Tameron Hyundai.